Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In the last video we covered about pwd, mkdir and cd, which is present working directory, make directory and change directory commands in Linux. Today we are going to learn a little bit more about listing of files and directories. The basic command which we use for listing the files or directories in Linux is ls. Now, what exactly ls does is it just lists down the files or directories which are in the present working directory. Now, if you see pwd, this tells you the present working directory, and ls tells you under geeky bird what are the files that are present. Now you can see dir1. Now let us go inside dir1. This particular directory contains another directory called dir2. Let's go inside dir2. In this particular directory, let us create couple of files. If you are observing, I am using a command called as touch. Touch is a command which is used for creating a file which is of 0 KB. There is no size for this file. This is just used for creating file. The primary use of this touch command is to create a lot of files in a short span of time. Now let us create another directory, mkdir. Now I am using an option ls-l. This is basically list the files in detail. Now what exactly does each of these mean? We'll cover this in detail right now. These are the multiple files that we created, and this is the directory geekybird.ls which we created. Now this is the size of each of these files, and this is the date created, and this is the group, this is the user it belongs to, and this part is the set of permissions that each of these files has. Now if you have observed, there is a hyphen in the beginning and there is a D in this. Now what exactly this means is this particular directory is a directory. It is mentioning that this is a D, which means directory, and this hyphen is an ordinary file. Now these are the set of permissions each of these files has. Now each of these three attributes or characters are classified as user, group and others. Now this particular file has a read-write permission for the user, read permission for others, and a group and read permission for others. Whereas this particular directory has read, write and execute permission for user, read and execute permission for group, and read and execute permission for others. That is it we are covering for this particular session. Let us meet soon. Thank you.